This is an unboxing of the GoPro Looky Likey camera. Forgotten what it's called actually. So let's have a look. It's got the old lithium ion battery warning sticker on it. So this is from Amazon. I think it's about £34. I can get the thing open badly. So here it is, the action camera. EvoDX, waterproof, 30 meters. It's got a remote control, and it records in 4K. So, what else does it say? Ultra HD 4K waterproof video, 4K 25, blah blah blah. Wide angle lens, waterproof, Wi-Fi, 2-inch screen, micro SDHC card not included. Bought one but it hasn't arrived yet. Interesting things here. 80 minutes, hour and 20 minutes runtime. Just the same old waterproof stuff and that. So yeah, made in China. EvoDX. Let's just have a look at that. Right. Please charge the battery before use. Yeah, it's all this lithium ion stuff. You can't ship batteries fully charged, I don't think. So, what do we get in the box? We get the camera. That's quite nice. This releases and the camera is inside. Camera comes out. It's got a little, don't know, memory card goes in there. Different modes. I think the thing to do is just leave it in this protective thing. Take these off. In fact, do the one on the inside as well. It's probably a bit of a showstopper. There we go. I don't think I'll be using this underwater, but I might try it actually, because I'll be going down the beach. That goes on there. That catches on there. It's fine. I've broken it. Another protective film there. Let's take that off. So, the camera. Let's move that across, and then we've got a huge amount of different mounts. Things that go into there and stick by the looks of it. Another mount, similar to the one it's got already. That's quite good. Clip. A clip one. You'll have to excuse me because I won't know what half of these are and how they're connected. What I'd be interested on is that like a bike handlebar one. Oops! Oh, you get a spare lid. One for the back. Straps with Velcro, probably a chest one maybe. More of these. That the quality is quite good, as far as the plastic can be. Feels a bit oily. Oh, there's the battery. We need to pop that in. Pull cord to activate maybe. Yeah, we need to get that on charge. What else? The USB charging cable. Another mount. Probably just for the camera only without the protective case. Mains charger. This is UK, so Very UK one. Move this across slightly. And another strap. Ah, this is good. This goes on your wrist to activate video or take a picture. That's quite nice. Some more bits. Again, excuse me because I don't know what half these things are for. Tie wraps and steel bands to stop you losing the thing altogether. Cloth for cleaning the lens. Instructions for the remote control. That is a lithium CR 2032 battery. I expect that's for the remote control. And then here you've got the instructions for the setup. So yeah, I think this was off Amazon, around £34. So yeah, that's the review. Got through everything. This is all empty. These are all the bits which I'm going to put back. But looking at it, the unboxing, it looks pretty impressive. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll probably do a video at some point of going out on an e-bike in country lanes and just see how it performs. Right, thanks for watching. Just thought I would show you that this is actual fact. This is just pulls out the battery from the camera, but you do get 2 batteries with it. So yeah, that's pretty good. If it's like an hour and 20 minutes for each one. Right.